Welcome back to Aisha.Academy, and today we're going to be going through transformations, specifically rotations. So to ace rotation exam questions for any exam board, pretty much there's three main points that you really need to consider. The first thing is the angle of the rotation. The second thing is the direction, so whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. But note that if your angle is 180 degrees, then you don't have to consider direction, and those would usually 2 marks. And last but not least, you need to consider the center of rotation. So, for example, if we have a sketched graph like this, and let's say this point X is our center of rotation, and we have a right angle triangle. So in this specific example, we want to rotate this right angle triangle 90 degrees clockwise. So by doing that, you're going to mark from the center of rotation to a point on the triangle and form that 90 degrees angle. Then you would mark that same point there and draw the triangle from that point. So let's go through practice questions. So example 1. So let's say we've got triangle A and we're rotating at 180 degrees from the origin O. So I'm going to mark origin because that's my center of rotation. I'm going to draw the line from the origin to, let's say, that corner of the triangle. I can see there's diagonal like 2 squares across, so diagonal 2 squares the other side for 180 degrees. And I'm basically going to look at how many squares or how many points from the origin to the points of the triangle, and I'm going to mark those on the other side 180 degrees. So it's kind of like with reflection questions of looking at the distance, and then I'm going to draw my new triangle. That's literally it. So example 1, you can get those type of questions where you have to draw the new shape. However, in example 2, you may get a question where the new shape is already drawn and you have to describe the actual transformation. So I can see that this shape has been rotated from P onto Q 90 degrees anti-clockwise, right? Because it's P onto Q 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now to work out the center of the rotation, the shape P onto Q. So to work out center origin, you're going to work out 2 of the same points, see where they meet. It's crossing at 1, 1. So I know that therefore the center of rotation is 1, 1. So 2 of the same corresponding points. Example 3. So again, here we're describing the transformation. So from P onto Q, it looks like it's 90 degrees clockwise, right? So now to work out our center of rotation, again, I'm going to draw 2 corresponding points on the shapes, see where they meet, and it's meeting at the center, -2, 3. So therefore that -2, 3 is the center of rotation. And that's it. So remember, angle, direction,